Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Misfits Adventures. My name is Michael, and Dione is at work right now still. She's up at the office, and she's got to work a 10-hour shift today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. So it's just me and Max, and I want to show you what we did. We got the lights to work. We bought a new set of lights. I bought some new connectors, which are better connectors. And therefore we now have colors. So the color that we didn't have on the other string was red. Let's see if I got it now. Hold on, maybe not. There it is. Look, there's red. So we went ahead and took the other ones down. I rewired it up. I got that all working. And actually it works pretty well. So as you can see, here's blue. Here's green. Let's see if it can fade or jump. Let's see if it can jump. There it goes. Another string of lights. And that string of lights, I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. It is under here. And those are the ones that burned out the first week we had the camper. So if you hit it, it kind of worked, and then it didn't work and all that good stuff. So those are under there. I'll show you what it looks like at night. Show you what it looks like at night. It's pretty cool, and it lights up pretty much all of our whole campsite. So yeah, it lights up to about here, which is where our picnic table is for our cook stove, and for our grill. So that's pretty cool. It's a nice day. It's sunny. It's about 81 degrees right now. Not too bad out. There you go. A little windy earlier this morning. I was going to fly the drone this morning, but I didn't because of the wind. Last night was a perfect night to probably do the stars. I woke up about 2:30 in the morning, and I thought about it, but I didn't do it. I was too lazy, obviously. So tonight I think I'm going to try to do that and get it onto this video here. The stars last night were really pretty. Orion came out, and the moon came early, as it's been. So little bit by little bit, as the moon gets full, it'll take its time coming back up again. But I do believe it's almost up, or it is up, and we just can't see it right now, probably. The burrows have moved from up here down lower now, so no more burrows up here for a while. I'm sure they'll come back. The grass has been reseeded up here. Fairways look pretty good, huh? Water, water, water. All this right in here is what they need to address. The streaks in here, I don't know what that's caused from. But man, I'll tell you what, this is a pretty nice, well-kept golf course. There's one of the holes there. And then from there, you start here, and you go back this way, all the way down. Now, I told you last week that we're going to be moving soon. Didn't really emphasize how far. It's really not that far. We will be over here past these trees. Excuse me. So, actually, we will be, I don't know if you can see it right there, but we will be over there by that gate. And, yeah, that's is a couple up from these other people here. Everybody should start coming up here probably in the next weekend or two. I think the third weekend is where everybody starts coming up here. We're going to move probably next weekend, which is the second weekend. And yeah, we'll move our spot. So we'll be in this general direction. Which isn't too bad. Not a lot of trees over on this side. Yeah. Beautiful golf course. This will be full of snowbirds playing golf. Yeah, all those trees are around our camper, and in the afternoon it pretty much blocks out the sun. Now that the sun is moving now, it's not actually going the same direction. We'll have less of a sun. You could really tell here in the desert. But yeah, this is our they had cut down these hedges over here so it doesn't shade us as well as it did, because they were about that high, and now they're little shorties, but that's okay. Max is outside. Hey Max, what's up? Are you a little hot? You like it out here, don't you? He's been sleeping. He gets under the covers and buries himself. He's a good doggers. Hey Max, you say anything to people? You want a cookie? Do you want cookies? Did you tell people that you like cookies? And they're not regular human cookies, they're doggy biscuits, huh? You like those. Max, how much you like cookies? You want to go inside and get a cookie? Hmm? Yeah, that's the only way I could get him to do things sometimes, to say, hey, you want a cookie? And he goes, yeah, let's go inside and get a cookie. Like right now, do you want a cookie? Yeah, okay. So let me let him inside and we'll get him a cookie. Are you ready? Let's go inside. Thank you, buddy. Yeah. It's pretty cool in there. Got the little air conditioner on right now. The big one is so noisy all the time. The little one just works just perfect, actually. So we've been using it. Yeah. So we'll be unhooking up probably this next weekend. And excuse me for the sun in your eyes, probably. And then we will be going and taking all this down. And we'll be going to the other side. Hope you guys enjoyed the beginning of the drone going over the park. This is where I work and live. Beautiful place. It's Lake Havasu. You guys got to check it out. It's going to be full pretty soon though, but not always full. They're still going to have room for people on the weekends, I'm sure. So anyways, guys, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and like and share. Tell your friends about us. We do need a bunch more people to subscribe for us. You can write us below here on YouTube, right here on the channel. Just type something, say, hey Mike, hi Dione. Dione should be back in the next week or so. She's here, but she's working right now, and I want to finish this video up so I can go ahead and send it out to you guys. And do me a favor and write us. If you want to write us, it's msfitzs@adventures@gmail.com. Thank you very much. Come back and see us again.